Perfect, and don't forget the glasses. So there's okay. So we're going to start right here, take a breath, and all the way out. Ooh, tough adjustment, but we got it. Okay, same spot, same low back. Go ahead and face me this way, please. Line on your side. And then just like that, and then have you bring that shoulder out. Take a breath, please, and all the way out. Perfect. Come on over on the other side. That's the kind of release we want. Okay, and just like that, take a breath, and all the way out. Okay, come on over your breath. Okay, you go right up top. Okay, just let your head fall. Ooh, good adjustment there. Boom, perfect. All right, thanks for coming by. You're all set. Welcome.